Good morning, everyone. Do a quick walk around the truck, and I mean quick. That looks good. Tires still tiring. Lock fifth wheel still fifth wheeling. All right. If it was warmer than I am this morning, it is currently like 20 something degrees. I'm not exactly sure. Sealing. And I'm still tandeming. That one has a slight flat spot here. We'll keep an eye on that tire. That might show its face to be an issue. We'll see though. We'll come back to it. We'll put a pin in it. Tires. Oh, guys, look at that. The WWE truck. Ain't that some shit? But alright. Let's get out of here, go get some fuel, and warm up. Yep. Alright, I'll check in with y'all in a minute. That was the damage. Hey guys, we are in a little bit of a, well, we're in a current day type of situation today because I was helping my wife do something last night and I forgot to talk to y'all. I know, I'm sorry. It happens though. It happens. I'm sorry. So we're current day. We are 4.5 miles from the delivery. Sorry, I'm looking at this Prime truck right here, and with this Trans Am truck, and it's pulling a Prime trailer. Didn't know when that happened. But anyway, we've hit a bit of a snag, like I was saying. It was to deliver this morning at 7 a.m. I didn't get this load picked up until, not yesterday, but the day before at like 10. So I drove for a good bit that Sunday. I drove a good bit Sunday when I picked it up. Drove pretty much all day yesterday. It was like, this load was a little over 1,200 miles, around like 13. And it's caused a bit of a snag because I wasn't able to get there by 10 o'clock today. They told me if I could get there by 10 o'clock, I'd be good, but I wouldn't get there closer to like 11:30, 12-ish. So that was the problem. They would unload me tomorrow at 7 a.m. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go there tomorrow, be there at 7. I'll probably be there a little earlier, right? After what happened today, we'll be there early. And then from there, we're trying to get a load back east. Hopefully because there I can grab a load and take me back home. Pennsylvania, that is the plan. We'll see what happens. We're just kind of playing it, this situation. And hopefully though, it'll work out. So we'll see. So there will be a video I'm going to post this tonight, like I would. Tomorrow's video, I'm not really sure how that's going to work. But we'll see. We'll see. It may still be able to work out because of how I do my videos. But it'd probably be more of a present day kind of thing. And I don't like that. Because I'm behind, right? Because I haven't had any content. I don't have any content today. Right? The content today is, building up to the deliveries and stuff like that. And then building to the pickups and delivers and... Well, we don't have that going on today, so I don't have nothing for you. So this is pretty much that. Sorry. And we will get back to our normal swing of things. We'll probably get back into the normal swing of things tomorrow with like videos, with our videos and stuff. I'm hoping. Fingers crossed. Well, I hope everyone's had a good day. And I will talk to y'all tomorrow. Peace.